In this graph question, of course, we need to first read the question. Then we should look at the axes. It is velocity and time graph. Let us now solve the two problem. First question asks, when is the object moving but not accelerating? In the graph question, we should know that position versus time graph. The slope is the velocity. In velocity versus time graph, the slope is the acceleration, and the area is the distance traveled. Here we check for the slope, which is the acceleration. So if the object is not accelerating, it means slope is 0, which is at the region of graph 2 and 4. At the region 4, the velocity is 0, where it is not moving. Therefore, 2 is only region where the object is moving and is not accelerating. Hence the answer is B. Let us now go to the next question. In this question, they ask at what times the speed is 4 meters per second. Remember, the speed is the scalar quantity, or it measures how fast the object moves. So the object moving with velocity positive 4 meter per second and minus 4 meter per second has speed of 4 meters per second. Now we draw the line in y-axis at positive 4 meter per second and negative 4 meter per second. We see 3 intersection points. Then we find the time by drawing vertical lines at the intersections. The corresponding time is at time equals 2 seconds, 5 seconds, and 10 seconds only. So the answer is E. Hope you have understood and find it easy. That is all for this video.